are building a boat. This is the only thing that you can use for your boat. You can use the entire box, you can use the whole roll of aluminum foil, and you can use the roll that the aluminum foil is on, and that is it.
One quiet morning, a boy wandered down to the dock. He was small with bare feet and curious look in his eyes. His name was Silk.
It's the boat that they stole. It's the boat that they stole. No. Okay.
We had to build a boat. It took us 5 years to build a boat.
Y'all ready? This y'all know, right? Wait.
That's cheating. So, come on. Let it go. Hold up.
We all got on the boat. We went to the beach.
Okay. Let's see if they making it to the shorties.
We get to the top. We big.
Today, we saw Jen, Macau, and James decided that we should go on a trip. Not just any trip, but take a cruise to Puerto Rico.
All right. We going to Puerto Rico.
The floater.
Let's see.
It's corazón.
What's the name of your boat?
Good.
It's over. It's full.
Move back.
Our group was on a mission. Me and DJ built a boat to travel to Africa to pick up weight in the mud. Then Sean steered the boat so we can make it back to America.
All right.
We can try and get the AM.
Alright, lay it flat though.
Watch that water get up in that hole. It's gonna float, man.
Oh, they dead.
Yeah.